So now we have our wireless receiver plugged into the board. Make sure your home screen is on standby. We will have a power on our wireless receiver. Take one of the stats. So make sure to insert the batteries in the back to power the wireless stats. And now with our screen on standby, we can start pairing the stats. Press and hold the one receiver button here until we get an orange amber light. It's in communication mode. Now we simply select the tap, up and down all simultaneously. So the 3 buttons simultaneously, press and hold to activate pairing. The bottom line will flash 0. To pair and call this stat for the address, we need to go up to number 1 on the bottom for the address. Press the tap. We want to call this zone 1 on the top, so press the tap. And that will reveal OK. Wait for the bottom to flash again on the bottom. Go up to number 4 for temperature display. It will show a flashing line. Press the up arrow to reveal temperature in Celsius and press the tap to confirm that. Wait for it to flash on the bottom again to do a communication test. Go down to number 3 for the communication test. Press the tap, and when we see the arrow pointing up, communication has been successful. Press the suitcase 3 times and write on the back of this zone 1.